talked already about the various syringes. The tiny ones usually were used for urethral treatments, venereal diseases primarily. The bigger ones, and I have some in my collection that go to 2 feet and can really do a big job. And these are catheters of the period. Now, can you imagine that going all the way into the bladder? Women were luckier; their catheters were only about this long, but the men had this big long ones with a curve in them. And you say, "I wonder who do that." Well, you went this way and you held the penis this way, and threaded it.
Did they ever use him in the trachea?
Well, I talked to you about that tobacco smoke enema. They had something very much like this that they used in the trachea. But these were pretty much urinary catheters. One other thing I didn't talk about in terms of moving fluids around is you heated up your blistering iron. You could, to relieve headaches, you could put a series of blisters on the temple and draw out the bad stuff. And for depression, you could run a line of blisters across the shoulders. And it must have worked, because anybody I ever did this to, they never came back. They were happy ever after. The Caughtery also was used for treating like little skin tumors, warts, skin cancers, you name it, or ulcers that weren't healing, which probably were skin cancers. You could burn everything out and it would heal up. Sometimes they would use that in surgery for not so much arteries but oozing veins that you just couldn't quite get stopped. You did it with the hot iron here and there. And that kind of does it for the medical surgical stuff.